Scorpion MX32s. They're really good tires. They'll last you a long time, and they're pretty cheap. $150 for the set, which ain't too bad for, you know, those type of tires, Pirellis. But what you do with old tires, burn out with the old tires. Super clean bike, super clean Mustang. I like it. It really looks good. I mean, the only thing that it really needs is cleaned up. You see the engine and all that, and a few bolts. Missing this brake bolt. I just put one in it. Yesterday was missing that. Shout out to you, man. I read your comment, and they actually are a front tooth missing off the front sprocket. It might fit. I don't know if the hole is too small. Actually, it's missing a couple teeth. There's two right there that's missing. But yeah, guys, like I said, let's get to it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, like the video, comment down below. Give me some more video ideas. I'm going to the track soon, so stay tuned for that. Well, guys, I'm out of gas pretty much, but it's in gear. I thought the recluse clutch didn't work, but as you see, it's in gear. I'm not holding the clutch, and look. It actually has a recluse clutch. Works, the recluse clutch works. I was in gear. The clutch was pretty much in, as you see, and I was giving it gas, and it was starting to go like it was automatic. So yeah, I'm actually glad. I'm actually pretty excited about that. Now it's just time to ride around a minute and just a few more minutes and then finish doing the burnout, finish burning the tires off. Had to go to the store to get some gas, ran out of gas, so I had to go pick up some of that. But now we're back, we're out here. I can't believe it still has as much traction as it does. I guess it's just cause heavy bike, wide tire, and I can't believe it don't spin more than it does. Nothing but spin right there. Three gears spin. Recluse clutch, let's see how it works. About slid out. But one thing, these 250s had a lot of low end power. That's what's these. Like the power is always there. Alright, let's get back to the burnout. Here in a minute, take the tires off front. I hate taking the tires off. Those tire spoons, they should, you know, help. We just gotta clean it, get all the mud and everything first, get the wheels off. I might do a build on this bike, who knows. I might buy a newer one, sell this one, buy a newer one, and do it on the newer bike. eBay specials with this danger warning sticker on it, and that cap barely even, like, you see that? It's really loose and don't even really stay on it good, and don't lock too good, and radiator fluid leaks around it sometimes. So I need to get, you know, some good racing radiators to keep the bike cooled down a lot more. Since it is bored over, it probably does need some better radiators, since there's a lot more heat and a lot more movement going on in the motor. Got the bike cleaned off, got the work area, the porch, cleaned off the best we could get it. We really like the golden forks. It makes it just look good. Move the bike in there so I can put it on the stand and get everything, you know, ready. These are the tire spoons that I bought. Yeah. Alright, that side's off. Turn it around. Oh no, we gotta get the tube out first. Gotta get the tube out, and then we'll be able to get the other side off. Finally got the tire on. Took a lot. I mean, we cut the tire off. You see that? After we got the tube out, we just make it easier. We just cut it off with a saw, and to get that tire off. And now we got it on. All we gotta do is pump it up. I'm pretty sure the tube is still good. I made sure it didn't have no leaks before I put it on. We finally got it on. We're gonna pump it up. Moment of truth. We're gonna throw it back on the bike. New tire is back on the bike. We're making progress. Looking good, looking good. Got to tighten up the chain. But next is the front tire. Hopefully it should be easy. I mean, in my mind, a smaller tire, not as thick, should be easier. So let's get it done. Alright, there's evidence everywhere. They're going to call it a day. Alright, the bike is clean. Tires are looking fresh, looking new. Still got to get the front one. Just do that off camera so we can have fresh new tires on the bike tomorrow and when we're ready to ride. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what you think of the new Yz250. It has so much power, it's insane, and I haven't even been close to being able to open it up all the way. Maybe we'll go to Cape Park this weekend or something more than here, so we can make some good content. And follow my boy on Instagram. He's helped me change the tires. I wouldn't have been able to change the tire alone because you need somebody to hold it, and it's a lot of work to change tires. If you've changed tires before, you know what I'm talking about. Shout out to him. Follow him on Instagram at Matthew
Long 853.
Matthew Long 853. I put it across the screen right now. Follow him on Instagram, and he should be able to getting him a Yz250 here soon, and you'll see us riding pretty much every day. He's gonna come over here every day pretty much. He lives super close, so we'll be able to ride all the time, and that's gonna be fun. I'll have somebody to ride with, you know, all the time, and you'll get to see a lot more content, a lot better content. But yeah, guys, off of that, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.